Hi guys, today I will show you how to install Google Analytics in WordPress without any plugin. The reason because you don't wanna any plugin is because adding more plugins make your website slow. The first step is to create the site in Analytics. If you have already done this step, you can skip to the step 2. Now go to Admin. Here click on Create Property and select Web. Enter the name of your site. In the website URL, if your website has an SSL certificate, you must select HTTPS. Otherwise, you have to choose the HTTP. And then type your domain. Select the category or niche of your site and the time zone to analyze the reports. And click on Create. The second step is to insert the Google tag into your WordPress site. To do this, you have to copy the Google tag and go to the WordPress panel. Go to Appearance and Theme Editor. Here you have to find the theme header or header.php. In this panel, you have to find the last header and make some space to insert the code. And just paste the code before the last header. Don't forget to update the file. The first step is to verify that the code is correctly installed. To do this, go back to Analytics and go to Home. Open any page of your site in the browser and it should appear in the Google Analytics panel. And that's it. Feel free to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.